kaso ni Senator Joel Villanueva sa Office of the Ombudsman was secretly dismissed. This came light upon the supposed request of the current Ombudsman, Boyeng Rimulya, na i-impose ang 2016 dismissal order ni former Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales kay now current Senator Joel Villanueva because of the pork barrel scam noong 2016. However, napag-alaman na noong 2019 ay dinismiss pala ni former Ombudsman Martires ang kaso ni Joel Villanueva sa Office of the Ombudsman. Ang nakakapagtaka dito ay paanong nagkaroon ng secret dismissal ng kaso. Kasi 'di ba, usually kapag ikaw ay akusado, tapos gawa-gawa lang yung ebidensya or wala namang basehan yung kaso. Kapag na-dismiss yung kaso mo, 'di ba, to clear your name, the logical thing to do is tell people, no? Magpa-media ka, magpa-press conference ka, or you publish or you just tell people na, huy, dismissed ba yung kaso ko? Hindi yun totoo. Walang sapat na ebidensya. Gawa-gawa lang yung kaso. That's the logical thing to do to clear your name. You tell people that the case was dismissed. Dito, secret. O, ano yun? Kayo-kayo lang nagkakaalam na na dismissed na pala yung kaso. This is prejudicial to the interest of third-party people na baka may interest din doon sa kaso. Paano natin gagawin or anong next natin na gagawin? Secretly dismissed pala yung kaso. Let us remember that public office is a public trust. Saan yung trust dito kung secretly may mga magic palang nangyayari dyan sa loob?